Hey everyone, come spend a day with me as a science student at SLIIT. My mornings usually start with lectures. Today, we have classes covering topics that helps us build the knowledge and skills needed in healthcare. One thing I love is that every class teaches us something new that we'll eventually use in real life. And of course, university life isn't all about studying. We spend time together, help each other out, and make some amazing memories along the way. Between sessions, I usually pop into the library to go over notes or get some reading done. It's one of my favorite spots on campus, quiet, calm, and you actually get things done here. Honestly, one of my favorite part of the day is just stepping outside and taking it all in. The greeny, the fresh air, all in it. We've got another session this afternoon before wrapping up the day. Every day brings new experiences and helps us become more confident future professionals. After classes, it's straight to practices. Dancing is a big part of who I am. And having that outlet alongside my studies makes every day feel complete. That's a glimpse into my life as a science student at SLIIT. Thanks for joining and see you later.